Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pin a chat or messages in WhatsApp group. For this, we will have to open up our WhatsApp and just select the group in which we want to pin our messages. So select that group. I have already selected. After going into the group, what we have to do is just long press on any of the message that we want to pin and these options will appear in the top bar. So select that message by holding on it and click on these three dots in the top right corner and there will be an option to pin messages. Just click on this pin and now as you can see this option choose how long your pin lasts. So you can select 24 hours, 7 days and 30 days, whatever you want. I am going for this 24 hours and then simply tap on this pin. And now as you can see this message has been pinned in my WhatsApp group. Now if you want to remove the pin, just click and hold on the message, click on these three dots again and simply tap on this unpin and you are done. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.